So,
Hey
guys,
guys, so today I'm going to be
fish again.
again. And I'm gonna go get some more. Come on.
Okay.
Aaron, follow me.
Yeah,
Please lang. Papa, picture mo kami sa... Ay, tayo pa.
Here, fish feeding.
Yeah. There's fish here somewhere.
잘 보여? 물고기 잘 보여?
Uy, nawahurot na. Wala na space, mapre. Proceed to clean up.
Dili mo na.
Sama na. They're having their happy hour right now.
Yeah.
Up to 6 p.m. only. Video bitaw ni? Sa video. So say hi to the
Okay, so
video.
this is
So
my
hi
dad.
hi
This is
to
my dad.
hi
And
to
this
the
is my mama.
hi to the vlog of
And that's my
Emily.
little brother,
Brother,
Stefan.
oh,
And
Emily.
this is my lola, my grandma.
Yeah.
Cheers.
So we're ordering. What did they order? Did you teach them? Tell them. What did you order?
What did you order?
Margarita.
So you
This is second time.
Okay, so mother, what did you order? What did you order?
Beer.
Okay, how about you, Papa?
that one.
Also.
So now Emily is going to feed the fish again. It's already night time.
Bawal lang
Sige dayon. So there.
Well, like, I'm so full already, but I want to eat more because I'm hungry. Lol. I'll give this to the mga fish that doesn't eat yet. Puyo!
Dako ah. Dako ah mabri para makita sa unsa.
Puyo! Oh, see? Guys, look, can you see? There. You see this?
See?
I'm gonna make it like way big. You see this? Oh! I almost fell. What the heck? This one, you see this? You see this?
Sige, go.
Open! Guys, looks like a swab.
Eh,
Gimme! Yo! These are gonna be the last two pieces we're gonna get. Last two pieces. So whoever will win will get this. Will get both of them. They're gonna be like 10 winners.
1, 2, jump!
Boom!
Maru!
Somebody got it. Yeah, one of them got it. When you all see the fish, that will just fall. I will literally actually cry if they actually fall. Very careful.
so this is the surrounding.
This is J part. So we're staying here overnight. So yeah.